Hello techies! Today we'll demonstrate removing a locked BIOS password by reprogramming the BIOS chip. Let's go! This laptop came to our service center with a BIOS password lock. Because of this, the user cannot access BIOS settings or boot options. To fix this issue, we remove the BIOS chip from the motherboard and use a BIOS programmer to rewrite the BIOS firmware. After connecting the BIOS chip to the programmer, we erase the old data and flash a new BIOS file. Once the BIOS is reprogrammed, we place the chip back on the motherboard. Now the BIOS password is completely removed and the laptop is working perfectly. If you have issues like BIOS lock, BitLocker lock, motherboard problems, or data recovery, contact Raminfotech Laptop Service. We have 10 branches all over Chennai since 2007. The laptop also had a BitLocker lock, which prevented access to the data. The BitLocker issue is resolved, and the laptop is working perfectly with the data saved. Alright techies, that's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.